Guys, I am back at the dealer. Dropped off the rental, which is down there. You can see it, Old Blue. It's just so weird going from that to this. It is so different. It's weird. It's just so different. It doesn't feel bigger or smaller. My seat is sitting higher right now. I could tell that. Like before, it was lower to the inside of the cab. But anyway, here we go. Let's see. Because they told me it's fixed, and I'll tell you what happened. Here we go. Oh my God. Oh, sweet Jesus, it looks good. Now, I will say this. There's a teeny tiny bit that's on the cowl, but I'm cool with that. It's actually getting the window. So here's what they said the problem was. They said that there was, after an expert looked at it, by the way, for 2 days, mind you. I'm sure it took about 5 minutes to actually look, but they had said that there was a small dent where the mounting point is for the sprayer nozzle. So as I originally talked about, there's only one way to put it in. There's a cutout in the hood. It's a metal hood, right? It's just a cutout. So the piece snaps in. There's no room for it to move around. So what they're saying happened is that where it snaps in, it was slightly dented, like ever so slightly, like you could barely tell. But that's enough because it's such a minute area. You know, it's such a small little space for an angle to change that was enough to raise it up too high. So, yeah, I mean, am I buying it? Yeah, maybe. Because I don't see what else they could have done, to be honest. So I believe them. I totally believe them. Maybe I didn't notice it before. I'll have to look at old footage and see if it was anything that was even noticeable. But that makes total sense. Now, they never said it's from factory. All they said was that there was a dent. You know, obviously they're a dealer. They didn't say like, hey, it happened after you're driving or anything. They didn't say anything like that, and it was covered under warranty, so thank God, no issues there at all. And the rental was covered. The rental was free because it was covered under warranty, so that was nice too. But yeah, I mean, I'm just glad it's fixed. I mean, holy moly. It's been over a year, right? That's crazy. So I love my truck. I've always loved the truck. After driving the new one's definitely cool, but I love this. This is my baby. It really is. And I'm enjoying it. And I'm going to enjoy it now with the proper spraying of the windshield washer fluid. So thumbs up. Finally resolved. Such a stupid little thing. They did mention, they said, listen, you know, we got it fixed now, but if you have any other problems in the future with that specifically, there's nothing else that we could do. It would have to go to a body shop so they can get it absolutely precise. You know what I'm saying? Like they bent it the best they can, and it's functional. It works totally fine now. But they straight up said it has to go right to a body shop. They didn't say whether it was going to be covered. I'm assuming it would be covered under warranty as well, still. But they said any further issues, it would go right to a body shop, and they would have it, you know, have it done so that it won't occur again. But I don't foresee it happening. It's a metal piece. It's not like a flimsy piece of aluminum or something. It's a thicker piece of metal. Whatever they did, whatever dent they popped out or bent or whatever, it's good to go. I don't foresee it being an issue ever again. So, oh my God. Now I need more washer fluid because I'm going to be using this all day now. It's awesome. Can't believe it. All right, we're good. No more videos on the windshield washer fluid sprayer nozzle. All right. That's all. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.